What we're doing now is programming the motors, each and every one, to where this is going to be number one, to where we got this one programmed already, to where we have a favorite setting that's in the middle. So we programmed that one. Now we're programming number two, to where I already got it programmed. All I have to do is change, since this one's on left, I have to change it from pressing down and going up to where you press down and goes down. There we go. We're gonna have it there. We're programming the top. Oops. And there's the top program. Now we press down to get the bottom. Now we're trying to get it to go to the bottom to where we can set the bottom stop, and then we're going to set halfway, and we're going to do the halfway because of the window. We're going to do it right there, and I'll show you here in a bit. And because of this window, since it's so big, and this thing right here, to where it comes out and only leaves us this much of the wall frame, we were still able to do inside mount to where this only comes out just a tad bit, but it misses this. So we're able to still do inside mount with even that much wall frame. So where right now we're gonna set the favorite position to where we'll do it right about here. To where now we're programming number 4. This is the kitchen. Okay, now we're programming the door. Now we have all the blinds in the closed position to where all you have to do is go right here to this setting to where they're all lit up, and you could control them to where first we're gonna press V. They will all go to the favorite position, that's halfway. Okay, and then all you have to do to where that's the favorite position you want to light in, all you got to do is press down, and they all go down. To where if you want to control one, let's say we want to do number 2. We can stop 2 whenever we want. So where, right here, to where we got 2. Say you only want 2 open, bam. Then you want to go to 3. Then you want to go to your kitchen, to where you can control them individually or at the same time.